this is Fashion World with GP, and if you guys want to know how I got that look, then keep on watching. So first of all, I have taken Vaseline Glitter High Overnight Radiance Serum and applying it in my overall face. This gives your skin very hydration, and it is so good. After that, I am taking this Mermaid Cosmetic Chocolate Foundation. So here's the thing, this foundation is not my shade. It is darker than my original shade. That's why I'm using it as a color corrector and applying it in those areas where I have dark circles and red kind of pimples. And after that, I'm taking this foundation. This is Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. The shade is Natural Buff 07, and I'm applying it in my overall face by using my finger. And after that, I have taken a damn beauty blender to blend it. It is so easy to blend your foundation with a damn beauty blender, so always use a damn beauty blender to blend your foundation. Keep that in mind. And after that, now I am taking this Lakme Absolute Matte Compact Powder to set my foundation. I'm applying a very thin layer of the compact powder as I don't want my foundation or my base to look cakey. That's why I'm applying a very thin layer. And after that, I'm taking this Inside Pro Concealer palette, and from this palette I have taken this light concealer shade and applying it in my eye base by using a tiny brush. I'm applying it, and after that I'm blending it. After the application of the eyeshadow base, now I am setting my eye base by using the same Lakme Absolute Matte Compact Powder. Then I am filling my eyebrows here by using a black eyebrow pencil. You can see here my eye base is completed, and after that, now it's time for the eye makeup. And for eye makeup, I am taking this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I am taking this black eyeshadow, and I'm applying the black eyeshadow by using a fluffy brush in my crease area of my both eyes. And after the application of the black eyeshadow, now I have taken a blending brush and blending the eyeshadow that are in my crease. So guys, here you can see the crease line is perfectly blended, and then I'm taking this purple shade from the same Makeup Revolution palette and I'm applying the purple shade in my eyelids of my both eyes. I'm also taking some pink eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution palette and mixing it with the purple eyeshadow that I have already applied in the eyelids of my both eyes. And after that, I'm blending the black eyeshadow that I have already blended in my crease area and the purple eyeshadow, so there will be no harsh line visible between these two shades. That's why I'm blending my crease nicely. So guys, after the blending, now it's time for the main part, that is glitter. And for glitter, I have taken this silver glitter but before that I'm applying some glitter glue, and then I'm applying glitter here by using a fluffy brush. I'm spreading the glitter in my eyelids nicely. Now let's do the lower waterline makeup, and for that I have taken this black pencil and applying it in my lower waterline area to give it a very nice look. After the eye makeup, now it's time for the lipstick, and for lipstick I have taken my all-time favorite My Glums Nude lipstick. This is my all-time favorite lipstick. I love this so much because it almost goes with every look, whether it's nude eye makeup, whether it's very colorful eye makeup, it goes with every kind of look. And after that, now I'm applying false lashes because without it every look is incomplete. And here is my final look. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like my today's video, please do like, share and support to my channel Fashion Knowledge. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.